Hello all, I am Gautam here and welcome back to our YouTube channel. The fourth largest country in the Africa, the seventh in the world. Libya shares the longest coastline in the Mediterranean Sea. Libya derives its name from Libu, a barbarian people west of the Nile. Libya, which was the colony of Italy, France and Britain, was the first country to become independent through the intervention of the United Nations. Many job seekers want to find work in Libya. It is a very attractive destination for professionals from all over the world with lots of vacancies and opportunities to build their career. Today is a useful video for everyone who want to work in Libya. If you are a person who want to migrate to another country, you definitely need a police clearance certificate from Libya. So in today's video, I am going to tell you how to get PCC from Libya. And let's see what are the documents required for Libya PCC. All visa page in passport, all passport front and back, all exit and entry pages, clear scan copies, new passport front and back, and 2 passport size photos. If you have these documents, you will get the Libya PCC within 15 to 20 working days. If you also want to take PCC, you can contact our customer care number. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Please share these informative videos with your friends and colleagues. See you with another video. Until then, stay tuned. It's me Gautam signing off, and thank you so much for watching.